cat and dog lived as the closest of friends, spending their days together.
猫和狗是亲密的朋友。
你好，我的朋友。今天天气真好。
Hello, my friend. Yes, it's a beautiful day.
我们一起玩吧。
Let's play together. The cat discovered a small pond and noticed fish swimming beneath the surface. With quick reflexes and patience, the cat managed to catch a shiny fish from the pond.
猫抓到了一条鱼。
The generous cat brought the fish to share with his dear friend.
猫把鱼分享给狗。
The dog's eyes lit up with delight as he discovered the delicious treat his friend had brought him.
狗非常喜欢，并感谢猫。
Filled with gratitude, the dog gave his friend a warm, loving hug to thank him for his kindness.
狗给了猫一个拥抱。
The dog tastes the fish and discovers it's absolutely delicious, his eyes lighting up with joy. Overwhelmed with gratitude, the dog gives his dear friend a warm, loving hug to say thank you.